Today I'm changing a key fob for a very common key used for the F-Series trucks, so F-150, F-250, F-350. It's not the only key. They do have a couple other key options that do different things, but this is a 3-button key that is super common. So first we hit this button here. That pops our backup key just in case our battery goes dead and we need to get in the vehicle. Then we come here. There's a slot here to pry. So we pry that. That gets it started. And then as you go around, there's a click right there, and that pops out. You don't want to pry at this end because there's that little toe right there. So the way this guy comes out is this way, hinges out this way, and what you're fighting against are those two little clips, which pop out nicely. This is a CR 2450 battery. So you put a little screwdriver in there and pop that out. I'll put a link in the description for that battery. Battery comes out, you get your new battery. That side goes in, make sure your plus sign is up like that. And that guy slides in. Then when you go to put this back in, toe goes in first, press firm, and then your key goes in and you are all done. If this was helpful, please give a thumbs up and we'll catch you next time.